Hello dear friends, today we'll show you how to use portable tire regroover. This is the user manual. Our machine is CE approved. This is the user manual. This is the regrooving blades for different sizes. Now I will show you how to change or fix the blade to this handle. First, we need to unscrew this blade holder. Check these two gaps. These two gaps will be like this. Okay. The blade has two sides. This side is very sharp. Be careful about this. And this side is not sharp. So the sharp side will hold like this. The sharp side will be up like this. We'll put like this, then press. Then we'll screw and tight. And then this side will be adjusted as required. Now we'll power on the machine. This is the power plug and it has two extra fuse. We'll put the plug and power on. This machine is 220 volt. This is the voltage display. This is work light. And here voltage adjust. We can adjust the power of the machine. This is increase and this side decrease. We need to press so the machine is working. If the power is high, then we can lower the power.